TERM barrier system has been evaluated as a physical termite barrier by the International Code Council. This video shows how to apply TERM Sill Moisture termite barrier for the perimeter of the structure. The TERM Sill Barrier blocks water, energy leaks, termites, and other insects. Here's a list of the materials you will need. The tools and supplies needed are: here's an overview of the installation steps. Determine how wide the perimeter sill barrier should be, prep the surface, mark where the barrier should be placed, prime the surface, install the barrier, and finally, apply sealant to any gaps and voids. Here's how to determine the width needed. Add the width of the sill, A, plus the exterior height of the sill, B, plus 2-inch minimum to extend horizontally onto the concrete brick ledge, C. If the seal has an interior vertical drop, add that, D. Lastly, if TERM floor underlayment will be installed on the project, add a minimum 1 inch on the interior side, E. Determine the width in advance so the correct material can be ordered for the job. Temperature should be above freezing and rising. Forms should be removed. Surfaces should be clean, smooth, and dry. There should be no caulks or sealants containing plasticizers or solvents on the surface area. Measure and use the chalk line to mark the placement of the TERM Sill Barrier. Place the marked line to ensure the sill barrier is installed so it extends 2 inches onto the exterior horizontal concrete brick ledge. If TERM flooring underlayment will be installed later, extend the sill barrier 1 inch onto the interior horizontal concrete. To prime the surface area, apply Polyguard 650 WB liquid adhesive to all surfaces which will receive the TERM Sill Barrier. Allow the primer to cure until it is tacky. This is usually 20 to 30 minutes. Measure and cut the barrier to length. Align the barrier properly using the chalk line. Anchor bolts can be punctured using a rubber mallet. The release liner should be slowly peeled away to expose the sealing surface. Place the barrier properly by aligning the holes to the anchor bolts. Proper placement is important because once the barrier is laid down, it is difficult to remove. As you install the barrier, press it firmly into the concrete. Note that the 2 inches which you are installing on the exterior side of the structure onto the brick ledge will later be tied into the TERM flashing barrier when finished. Inspect the barrier for gaps. Seal any gaps or voids with TERM Termite Sealant. Thank you for watching this video.